Welcome back to NotSoGrand Garage. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work to the Turbo Grand Cherokee, aka NotSoGrand. We're going to get her cleaned up because it's been sitting for a few months. Off and on it gets just gets moved up on the hauler for test fitting and other things like that, but beyond that it's just been sitting collecting mold due to a couple problems it's got. So we'll get into that here in just a minute, so stick around. As far as what's going on with this thing at the moment, right now it has a cracked exhaust manifold. I made a poor choice and purchased one of the cheap stainless headers off eBay when I built this turbo setup, and it held up fairly well, but it finally cracked pretty good, so now it's not able to build boost. So the goal is to get it cleaned up, get the turbo system pulled off of it. We're going to replace that cheap manifold with a pair of factory cast manifolds and a custom Y pipe that'll tie back into our turbo up pipe and everything. I'll also be rebuilding this down pipe, down pipe, and the dump tube for the wastegate, because when I first put this kit together, the pass-through and the hood was substantially smaller, which I had to crush this pipe down really crudely, if you can tell, to get it to fit. For now, we're just going to get it cleaned up, get all the mold off of it, get all the wasp nests knocked out of it, and get it ready for the parts that are coming in Wednesday. Hopefully we'll get time to get it pulled apart this weekend, and we'll get it back on the road, finally building boost again. It's a lot of fun to tool around in it, so hopefully we get it going pretty quick. Well, got a little bit of the mold off of it and got all the mud dauber nest and wasp nest knocked out of it. It's still pretty rough, but that's okay. In the near future, we're going to be cutting out these rockers. I'm going to be building some 2x6 3/16 wall rectangular tubing sliders for it. And if all goes well, what we're going to do next after that is we're going to raptor line it, just like my Mercedes here. I really like how this stuff turns out, and it holds up really well and can be done in a home garage as long as you've got access to an air compressor. They happen to have it in the sand color that the Jeep already is, so I figure that'll be the best route to go. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there for the night. I'll get the Jeep put up, and parts should be here in a couple days. We'll get it in the shop and start tearing it down and let you all see what we'll be doing. All right, y'all have a good one. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.